Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader at Exto. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD, Euro dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY. Yesterday when we were talking about the chart of Euro USD, DXY was standing here and we were kind of skeptical what will be the next course of action of DXY. So DXY was, as we discussed, DXY was standing at a very crucial level and somehow DXY is showing some signs of correction. Thought about the chart. Okay. But my dear friends, this is not a trend reversal. Do not make the mistake. This is not the trend reversal. Always keep in mind, for a proper trend reversal in an uptrend market, we need an inverted V pattern. Until unless you get the inverted V pattern, okay, this is just a correction, not a trend reversal. So yes, right now correction is going on, but keep in mind that DXY is still very bullish. And as we have already discussed yesterday, that we have many events coming up this week, so there will be very much volatility in the market. So please be in touch with the forexfactory.com. Though new traders, those who do not have any idea about the news fundamentals about the market, okay, you should always use the forexfactory.com. This is the best website for beginners. Now let's talk about Euro USD. Where is Euro? Yeah, here is our Euro dollar. So things have not changed much for the Euro dollar chart here. Overall downtrend market, and right now if we just focus on the present trend of Euro USD, then we can see that market seems to be sideways. And yes, there we need the push right now. Yes, Euro dollar is trying to take support here after this huge fall for the last couple of weeks. Okay, Euro USD is trying to take support. Okay, but right now it does not have the push yet. Probably we will have some news or events that will be helping Euro dollar to go for an up move right now. But as long as we do not get any proper fundamental factor helping Euro USD to go up, okay, we cannot become blind. We cannot deny the fact that market is sideways, and for day trading purpose we should be consider this market as sideways market only. Those who are planning to invest on Euro USD, or those who are trying to take position for few weeks and months, you can take a buy position. That's your personal decision. I will not comment on that. But those traders who are looking for intraday trading opportunity or day trading opportunities, for them I think it is best to look for buying opportunity at the support and sell opportunity at the resistance, because this is a pure sideways market right now. Okay, so right now Euro USD is trading in the middle. Things are very simple. Okay, if possible, try to trade on reliable levels only, or the levels which are good enough. First of all, let's talk about these resistance level 1.0640 to 1.0650. This is a resistance zone. Already we have discussed yesterday. If market goes up and reverses from the level, if you see reversal, if you see prices being rejected from above, you can take a sell position, because this is a sideways market. But confirmation is important. Okay, do not trade blindly. Okay, and follow proper risk management. If you see market reversing, then only take a sell position. Never forget that observation is the only thing that differentiates a professional trader from a retail trader. Okay, retail traders do not have patience. They sometimes take bad decisions, bad trades, and end up losing money. Don't make the mistake. Okay, wait for some time, wait for the proper confirmation, then only trade. Okay, so if you find market reversing from the resistance zone, definitely you can go for a sell position. And on the other hand, if you find market coming down, then I'll still think that 1.0480 to 1.0470 can be a good support zone. We have already discussed yesterday that this is a support zone from the weekly chart. So if market comes down to this level, observe the market first. If you see that market is trying to reverse, market is trying to bounce. If you see market is forming hammer kind of a pattern. If you see market is forming bullish pin bar, or if you see market forming any bullish reversal pattern showing any pattern here, you can go for a buy, because that will give you the confirmation that buyers are still present at the support. So if market reverses from resistance, you can take a sell. If market reverses or bounces from the support, you can go for a buy. But in case due to some news or any fundamental factor, if you see that heavy selling is going on, if you find market is under fresh selling, market breaking the level, okay, then obviously there will be further downside. Okay, further downside. But I think right now that as long as any bad, very bad news comes out, okay, Euro USD will try to hold the level, because we have already witnessed heavy selling. Okay, but yes, we don't know about the news about the market. Market is unpredictable, so be careful. In case market breaks the level, then wait for at least 1 hour and just observe the market. If you see that market is seriously under heavy selling pressure, and really if there is some news, okay, that supports the falling of Euro USD, you can take a sell position as well. Then you can expect to make another 100 pips profit. Okay, so please be careful. And my dear friends, my world's most affordable trading workshop is back again. This is the last workshop I'll be conducting for the next 2 months. Okay, for next 2 months there won't be any workshop. This is the last workshop. If you really want to um, learn, okay, you can consider signing up for the workshop. Okay, because when I started trading, I had no one to teach me, and the teachers who were available, I could not afford them. This, as you all know, that I am on a mission to spread knowledge. So if you are interested, please check out the link in the description, and if you sign up, then just email me. Okay, I'll contact you over WhatsApp. Okay, once you're done with the signing up process, you can just leave an email with the WhatsApp number. Okay, so hopefully I've understood. Please follow proper risk management, because it's your hard-earned money, it's your responsibility to protect it. Please follow strict risk management. Bye bye, take care.